Thank you, the viewers and listeners. My name is Julius Tusiime, Member of Parliament representing Rwampara East constituency. Today is epic. Today I give glory to God, and today is my Thanksgiving and the Thanksgiving of all leadership. I call it a blessed day because it has been a day to unite Greater Rwampara, to unite Greater Mwizi, to unite Greater Bugamba and Rwampara East at large. I want to thank all stakeholders, the media fraternity, all institutions for believing in the cause. What is the major cause and what is the objective of this? My Thanksgiving is dedicated to enhancing education facilities in Greater Mwizi sub-county. We are going to construct a classroom block and an office at Ngoma Primary School. 2, we are also going to construct a dormitory, a girls' dormitory at Abenyaga Secondary School. All these schools, the enrollment has shot up in church at Abenyaga Secondary School, at Abenyaga Parish. So we believe this is a noble gesture and it is timely, and all the proceeds will go to the construction of that. My prayer is that it is successful, and I believe it is successful. Once we get that money, the architecture drawings are out, the BOQs are already out, we shall start construction immediately. We hope that by the end of this month or next month, by the end of next month, depending on what we have gotten, we will hand over immediately. We want to start the work and hand over to the schools immediately. That is good. Yeah. Because I don't know what people have put in the envelopes. What I'm sure of is that everything that is collected will be put to the construction of these dormitories. Because budget the total cost of the architect of the work, of the construction work, is 120 million for the 2 projects, and we believe that in this fundraising we are going to raise a significant amount, a significant percentage. If we raise 100%, I will say glory to God. If we raise 20%, I will still say glory to God. My commitment as the Member of Parliament is that whatever percentage we collect, the remainder of the percentage I shall put together with my friends and we ensure we construct these 2 facilities to completion.
The number of females.
We find that the ratio of boys to girls is about 2 to 4 or 1 to 4. So no wonder Rwampara is part of Uganda. But most importantly, we championed, personally I championed girl child education ever since I was a national youth leader, ever since I was a university student leader, and the message is now getting into the minds of parents. They understand that it is important to give equal opportunity to both girls and boys. So for me, I believe that this is not a mistake. It is work that we have done over time, and now we are beginning to reap on what we have sowed. I think key role is appropriation. 2, we have had a challenge, and everyone knows the challenge in Uganda. We have had total budget cuts. The education sector had a budget cut of 66%. The money that we receive in capitation grants can only construct 2 classroom blocks in each district in Uganda. If in Rwampara we are to construct a classroom block per parish, we would need 14 good years to have a classroom block at each parish primary school. So my issue is that what affects my people as a leader affects me. If I can, because I could choose to get this money and go and start a business, but I will not have brought tangible development to my constituency. So we have made ourselves into developmental groups, and we use that money to support each of us in our respective constituencies to do a development work of a member's choice. So today is a manifestation of the cooperation we have had as members of Parliament, and we shall continue to support the people that we serve. It is not the weakness of government, no, but it is because we have suffered budget cuts as a government. 2, it is because we have a dwindled constituency. Ekinjemeseriza kukola fundraising egi n'okusiima abanya Ankole n'abashigano kibangweta siima ibrowacha kijaha na imurikira abantu bankunda bampaka rukaho mihango nanyine garuka nkabasiima abwiki bankora ibi. Icya kabiri, okusiima oku tunayenda okwawusha naenda kuboko kurekaho umusinje kandi umwana w'abashomesa abazira bajya kabarya abashomesa naenda ngiro umusinje kunataho aho byo gwegese aho tuza kombeka girls dormitory arwenya ga secondary school tugarike tombeke na classroom block in office ari ngoma primary school ebintebi ninjiza ubiza kutweraho enrollment y'akamashomere yongire muno konkanka government esafari njire kushara budget so tutekateka twaza kombeka ngaburi parish muri ko muri Rwampara funa ishomero boroka class primary school tuetage myaka 18 cheka chikora akose ndezi tufuneza capitation grants kwasa kushikora so antubite chikwashasha nitchikora chi nichitushasha tukabasa kwiciriza abana bo kwishibaka mwana bararo mukerezia kandi tukasa kuje twakораho kanindura ambere tukwaza kwiciriza abana ba bitu abakutambura kugakatoche ruzo bakuza kushomera ngoma bihombya cyonyo bakuzayo bakashomera hasi yo muti eki kize mukati kitandikireho kandi twiciriza ngo bwegese no musinje w'ebintu byona twine budget ya miliyoni 120 nyina masiko kwezi sendenza kuzibona konkana bwe nyina masiko kandi ndi committed nyoka member parliament na twafuna percentage ne turafune eyo kumanizana ibyo bakutekaho kareka mugumuro gwakorwa kandi bakigeza ko abantu bona ngweje nkore yitu eri unique eze sente abakuru b'amashomero ni batera umuranga mbe bakarebi kureba ngo injiniyo turateho ibyari nakora nibyo akuba twenda kureka sente zazacishije zo kureka ku materials twazigura abantu bitu baburijo kandi nabo baganyirwamo bafuna umurimo emirimo twenda kucya abana bita bakuru ona shiwe umwana arainde kwetera injawuro ubwo nabatakusakagwe yabire inyuma gabaje ngo umishi ishomese wacu ngati ntu bagambira ngo twinabisha bari ba doctor mwareba hano prime minister mwareba hano ba minister mu Uganda tune ba minister babakazi bakusingo bwinji twine prime minister w'umukazi twine speaker w'umukazi twine vice president w'umukazi twine ba chief justice babakazi twine ba doctors babakazi mbeno jiro wawe wamutumisha barata kwasa kwenje kintu changu nimba igabazire nk'abana chance bona wasekukayo bari mno
akasenta kubasa kombeka buraro n'ahandi naso tuzire tukora fundraising nyingi zo kuyamba ingashi supplement budget y'ihanga na budget yo hagati Ministry of Education y'Eritrea icyo pena kimaze kiretsire cyo kubanza tuyomu aftermath za covid oku ya affectingire government y'Eritrea tuvuga kandi imishoro neba abantu babana kurenti we no kumara imyaka 2 abantu batakora mpiha kandi manisa kuranga imyaka 2 batine batakushora nawe cyo government ya Uganda ikasiya yayo icyumba cy'inonga kandi hati nabo twashaziremu takwadansanije n'ibisiyaga abazungu nabo awarwa n'ababiri batiyambaho nabo bawuzimira yambo mwene hati twekora mwemero k'abantu k'abanyarwanda kugira ngo hakiri tweronde mu busente k'abantu rebe mu mashuri kurebera members ba parliament na ministers kanya batariye banagasiba kuko kamashuri n'amabara abo kugira ngo tongera hambera amashuri abantu abo bajya ngo cyo gukora kijaguzamo n'ingashi businesses zijagarizwa n'umu na intasiya ya government ikindi cyo kurete cyo population ya Uganda is so fast amashomero abavuga gabegarwa abana magana 2 abana beno shanga ngo class zizabita so combining rapid increase population hamwe n'intasiyanci kireta crisis ejo ko tugeza kumanyikinga
no kunaona rokaranga jirote 2 chi turekuna chama basi abana banyabeshareji
Selecta, kuluta ningale kale. Nina mani, noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani. Nina mani, noza kukakasa ngo nina mani.